Hello to all you fire alarm and siren fans on YouTube. This is FS Thunderbolt Fan 1000 here. You may notice we're at a different location. We're at my grandma's house because I'm going to be showing you my new siren. It is a Federal Signal 500 SHST, which stands for Single Horn, Single Tone. This siren came from Marshfield, Wisconsin. It was in service there up until recently where it started going off in the middle of the night, and that's not really a siren problem, that's a control problem. So I picked it up yesterday, took the horn and everything off yesterday, and now I'm just working on, I took the intake off today, and I'm checking out the brushes and that sort of thing, figuring out the best way to go about taking this thing apart. So yeah, here's the intake cone, pretty big. Over here we have the motor cover, also large but not as big as the horn, where it's all sitting on. This is a car compared to the horn. Like, the horn is huge. It's 4 feet in diameter by like probably 2.5, 3 feet tall. So we got some pretty weird looks, at least coming down the highway with this thing on the trailer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Still rotates, now the belts are that stretched. See the belts there going. And underneath here there's another set of belts and pulleys that drive the siren. Because if you get, and that pulls this pulley really slowly because it goes through the gear reducer. This thing has one speed. It's not like a Thunderbolt where you can like change the rotation speed. It just goes at one speed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty cool siren. It has an 18-inch rotor, so I don't know what type of other Federal Signal siren had an 18-inch rotor. The earlier model of the 500 had a 22-inch rotor. This one just has an 18, so. Because I know the Model 3 in 2001 have a 14-inch, so this one's 4 inches larger than that. So I think it has the 2T22 chopper and stator, but I don't know. I'll have to look into it. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for details as far as the restoration goes on this one. Pretty rare siren, glad I could get it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.